exactly. I got a question for you. How exactly does ForceGet help with brands that sells in these many marketplaces and countries?
That's a really good question. I mean, I think what we're trying to, I lived in China 7 years. I had a sourcing company. I had a B2B brand. And then one thing for me was when you have more than 5 or 10 different vendors, so you have factories, you have freight companies, you have custom broker, you have 3PL, you have truck companies, you have software, you have finance tools to like track your lending costs. All these vendors and all these tools are disconnected. They're great softwares, they're great operation companies, but they don't actually merge the data. They don't connect the data. They don't connect the information. That it's very distracted. So you cannot really actually sit down and then you don't have like one dashboard to see everything. Mm-hmm. That's what we're building in ForceGet. So you can actually see everything in ForceGet platform, everything all the way from factory floor to the end user. So this way you have the entire supply chain fulfillment pipeline within the one roof. So I think that's very unique. There are some companies only do international logistics, only fulfillment. But then you need a partner that you can manage everything in one place, as well as Amazon's reimbursement.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.